What happened to Colorado? Oh my God! We also have a hailstorm, guys. It's also hailing. Oh my God! It's actually, guys, it's actually worse than my camera shows. It's a lot worse than my camera shows. Oh my God, I think we're under a flash flood warning today. Wow. This is like the 5th time this year it freaking hailed, man. God. Some thunder going on too. This storm must have came from Asia or something. This is really serious. Oh, what the heck is going on, man? Look at this. I'm getting soaking wet. Wow. This is crazy, man. Oh my God. Oh my God.